Lemon can give you super white skin with these 2 ingredients. Necessary ingredients: 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of almond oil, half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. How to prepare it and use it. To prepare this mask, you must mix all the ingredients well. You should apply this mask as a moisturizer on your face just before bedtime. We will also show you how you can use lemon as a skin whitening mask. Necessary ingredients: lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of candin powder. Here is how to prepare it and use it. To prepare this mask, you must mix all the ingredients well until you obtain a homogeneous paste. As for the application, you should apply this mask on a clean face and neck and let it act until it dries. As soon as the mask dries, you should wash it. We recommend that you wear this mask every 2 days.